Okay, so this is the audio jack that you can find in a later model Toyota. I have a '09 Corolla, and this tends to go bad because of basically just poor design. When you pull it out, it notices that there isn't a connection, and it'll switch back to radio or CD or whatever you had on there. And turns out that there's two connectors that you can solder together to fix it. And you don't need to take it apart to where I have it now. This is after doing some unsoldering. But if you look at this, you can sort of see what it actually is doing. Let me move this light here a little bit so you can see. Okay, now you'll see kind of a little sandwich structure right here. These two connectors right there. That when you have your aux cable in, it closes the connection. So my theory is, if you drop it on the ground first, and then have to find the little green piece. Okay, my theory is that if you solder those 2 points together, that it should work. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll see if it works. Okay, so this is it all soldered together. Now, I'm not a great solderer, so don't judge me to all you soldering gurus, but I'm going to try to see what I can show you what I did. Is these two connectors right here. See, I made a bridge between this one and this one here. So, in theory, this should work. If you just bridge this connection across, that should just close that switch that detects that there's a aux cable in the aux port. So, when you pull out the aux cable, it shouldn't even switch back to radio or CD. So, I mean, that's just something you're going to have to live with. I don't know if that's supposed to be a convenience, but I can live without it. I can be just fine pushing a button and switching it to CD or radio if I want to. So this is the almost finished product. I stopped here so I can kind of show you what you would have to do to put it together or take it apart. I mean, I'm sure you can look up another video. I'm sure there are on YouTube videos on how to tear up your dashboard in your car. But I mean, this is assuming you have a 2009 Toyota Corolla or similar generation model. There's just two simple screws that hold this section here, this unit that you're going to have to take out first to get to this unit, which just simply pops out. And then this is held on by just two clips within this aux unit itself, and it pops right out. And but yeah, it works. You can switch to from disc, aux here, FM, AM, whatever. And when you plug in your audio cable, it won't. When you pull it out, it won't switch off like it is supposed to work, which is stupid. And yeah, whoever designed that is a fucking idiot. Probably some engineer somewhere. Probably is a lot smarter than I am. Decided that would be a huge convenience. Anyways, that's it. And you don't have to take out any of these other components up here. These arms right here should pop right out. You gotta put it in neutral to take that part out, so you can sort of fit this in here. And it just fits in there. The arms pop in like so. And just kind of force it in there. Hopefully you won't break anything. This flimsy plastic, this poor engineering. But that's it. Should work all the time. Well, that's it. If you have any questions, just feel free to message me and I'll get back to you. Thanks.